I know that you many times have tried to read texts but couldn't read well because you don't know the rules of pronunciation or the hints, or that letter A in English have many sounds like a, car, a, say, a, cat, or call. Other letters in English, the same. One letter has one sound and two letters have one or more sounds. It's very complicated to know this by yourself. So in this course, I will try to help you read without thinking through learning the common patterns of the letters, how they are pronounced, not individually one by one only, but also how they, when they come together, make the sounds. And you will learn vocabulary from the short stories that I wrote by myself for you. So this course is a mix between two things, pronunciation and vocabulary course. The course structure goes as follows. I'm going to tell you some pronunciation tips. Then I'm going to teach you some difficult words to understand the story. I'm going to read part of the story and then try to find the patterns that I will teach you in this course. Then you'll have a quiz on the story after we finish all the parts of the story. I'm Zaki. I have been teaching English since 2011. I have 4 teaching English certificates, TESOL, TEFL, TEYL, and TTT. TTT is short for Train the Trainer. It's a certificate given by Cambridge University to teacher trainers who want to help other teachers become professional teachers. I hope you like this course. Sign up now on Udemy.